Particular tutorial, I want to show you how to add WhatsApp button on your post on Facebook. Okay, so if you post anything on Facebook and then you want to add your WhatsApp button, as you can see right here, this is the WhatsApp button, and I am currently in my Facebook page. So if you scroll down, let me just scroll down and show you this. If you scroll down, you're going to see that I have WhatsApp button like that here. So if somebody click on this WhatsApp button, it will take the person straight to my DM or to the DM of the person that is actually representing our brand. Okay, maybe you are watching this video maybe from WhatsApp or from Telegram because you are one of our students that click on the WhatsApp button and then it took you to our DM directly. So today I'll show you how to add the WhatsApp button on your Facebook post. Okay, all right, so let's get started. This is Julijetek tutorials. Welcome to our channel. So please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, because we bring to you amazing tutorials on how to go about editing, AI, monetization, everything, design. Okay, so look at the description of this particular video. You also see a WhatsApp number that you can also chat if you want to join our Telegram group, or you want to also join our WhatsApp group, okay, for video editing classes. All right, okay, now so let's get started. So first of all, if you want to add WhatsApp button on your post, it is very easy, and you have to pay attention because you may not get this particular button if you are using your phone. But today I want to show you how to use your phone to achieve this. Okay, as you can see here, if you want to make a post, you don't see anything like WhatsApp button or add WhatsApp button, and then people are asking, how do I add WhatsApp button to my post? How can I achieve this? And today I want to reveal this thing for you. Okay, so pay attention and follow the steps, because if you do not follow these particular steps, you may be asking questions. I tried this, I tried that, not knowing that maybe you have skipped the video. Please don't skip this video. Do not fast forward the video. Watch everything, okay, as I'm going to take you step by step. All right, so now let's go. So to be able to achieve this, you need to use a browser. Let's say if you are using a Chrome browser, okay, it may work for you, but I want to recommend Edge browser. All right, so if you do not have Edge browser on your phone, go to your app store and then install Edge browser on your phone. So after installing Edge browser on your phone, you need to also follow this particular technique that I'm doing right now. Let me just show you that this is Edge browser. So I'm minimizing it. So as you can see, this is Edge browser right here. So I open the Edge browser. When you open the Edge browser, just go to your Facebook page. Yeah, go to your Facebook, because it is actually the Facebook page that you want to add the button, the WhatsApp button. And then when you are here in your Facebook page, what you want to do again next is to come down here, because this is the Edge browser, then and click there. So the reason I want you to use the Edge browser is that if you are using Chrome browser may actually navigate you to Facebook app. Yes, Chrome browser will always want you to use Facebook app, but if you are using the Facebook app, you may not be able to add your WhatsApp button. I have to explain everything to you, okay? You may not be able to add the WhatsApp button. So use Edge browser, because Edge browser, if you have Facebook app already on your phone, Edge browser may also want to open Facebook app, but it will give you a prompt, and the prompt may ask you to select either Facebook app or Edge browser. To ask you stay in Edge browser or open in app. Please do not open in app, because Facebook app does not have this feature. Okay, follow what I'm going to show you right now step by step. So when you now open your Facebook page on your Edge browser, you click on this place that I'm showing you, this down part, the down right part of your phone here, this particular place right now. Okay, so you click on that particular place. So I click on it here, and then you will see this. You are going to see this view desktop site. So you click on view desktop site. If you are using a computer for this, do not worry yourself, because you are already in a desktop site. You are already in a desktop site, okay, if you are using a laptop. So click on view desktop site. So when we click on that view desktop side, this is how we are going to see our screen. Our screen will now be opening in desktop mode. Okay, so now let me show you how to add the button when you are in the desktop mode. Okay, so when you are here in the desktop mode, you come here to your profile, and then when you are here in your profile, you come down here to what is on your mind. Actually this is how we post things on Facebook, by coming down to this place, what is on your mind. So do not use any other application like even Facebook Suite, because it may not actually have this WhatsApp button too. I have tried all those ones, I've not seen WhatsApp button. Maybe tomorrow it may has WhatsApp button, but this is the one that is actually working for me, and then I'm sharing it with you also. Okay, so when you click on this particular what is on your mind here, you're going to see here what is on your mind. Okay, so you need to type in what is on your mind, okay, before you go to the next step I'm telling you right now. But if you have copied what is on your mind and the text that you want to post, actually you just paste it here. So me, I have copied it, and then I want to paste it there. And if you want to add a video, you just click on this particular, let me just zoom it in for you to see it very well. Okay, so if you want to add a video or you want to add a picture, you click on this particular sign right here. Okay, that is the sign for picture or video or media in general. So you just click on that particular sign, and it will ask you to upload either a photo or a video. Of course it will say here photo, but don't worry, the videos are still here. So you just click here, this particular one here, right now, just click there so that you can upload your photo or your picture. So I'm clicking it there. If you want to upload more than one picture, you can just click more than one picture, so that many pictures or many videos can be selected for you. Okay, so let me just go to the video that I actually want to add. So this is the video that I want to add. So let me unselect the first one. Okay, so let's click on done after selecting the picture or the video. Okay, so after selecting your video and after adding your text that you want to add with your video or your picture or your text alone or whatever, you are going to see another icon here. You see that this particular three dotted line, like that is like a menu line or whatever it is called. So just click on that particular icon there, and then you are going to see this particular screen popping up, and then right here you will see get WhatsApp messages. Okay, I hope you are following it step by step. If you have missed any step, just go back and watch the video again so that you do not miss any step. Actually, if you want to get messenger messages, you can just select this one, but we don't want messenger messages right now. For the sake of our tutorial, we are going to select get WhatsApp messages. So we select get WhatsApp messages right now, and boom, WhatsApp has been added to our post. Okay, as you can see, this is the WhatsApp button that has been added to our post. So when you are done, you just click on this place that says post. Just click on the post, and then you post your video. After posting your video, you can come back and check your video. You will see that you will be able to have WhatsApp button on your post. It's as simple as that. So if somebody clicked on that WhatsApp button, it will take them direct to your DM, because in your profile you have already entered your WhatsApp number. So it is the WhatsApp number that is in your profile that it will take them to. So if you have not set up your profile very well, make sure that you add your WhatsApp number in your Facebook page. Okay, in your Facebook page. Actually, you may add it in your Facebook profile, but make sure that you add it also, especially in your Facebook page too, so that when they click on that WhatsApp button, it will take them straight to your WhatsApp DM. Okay, so this is how you get connections. You get in touch with people that you are that are actually your audience, that you are showing your product. So in the near future, we are going to show you how you can grow in your social networks and YouTube and other things like that. Okay, all right, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so, and see you in our next tutorial very soon. Bye for now.